Hello everyone! Today we will test the alligator shear. Let's take a look at its performance. First, the technicians will conduct an appearance inspection of the equipment to check if the blades are sharp and if the oil cylinders and pipelines are in good condition. Next, place the metal sheet into the shear cutout, adjust the position, and prepare for the first shear test. Look, the blade starts to cut the metal sheet. It has great force and can easily cut the metal. In order to test the performance of the equipment more comprehensively, we will conduct multiple shear tests using metal materials of different specifications and record the data.